everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are not subscribed, make sure you press that subscribe button. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 wrap techniques you can try at home. Let's get started. So here you'll see me using a thin mesh wrap to act as the base for my wrap tutorial today. I like to fold it in half, bunch it up in my hands, and then lay it on my shoulders. Here you'll see me molding my hair in an upwards puff position. Next, I'll grab my mesh wrap, wrap it around my hair, and then in front I like to secure the base by tying a knot. Alright, now once you've got everything knotted and secure, go ahead and pull out any hair that may be stuck along the base, and then tuck away the rest of the mesh material around the puff. Now that I've got my base tucked and secured, I'll move forward with showing you some of the styles you can achieve right at home. That process is pretty straightforward, so I won't talk through it. Simply watch and learn, and I hope you enjoy the video.